And then this paper.
Yeah, you gotta sign that one too.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure when his practice is.
Alright, so you have one here too that works out.
Yeah.
I decided to go to SCAD this year because it is like a very good opportunity for me both academically and like athletically. And see, like SCAD is #2 in the nation for interior design. That's my program. And then like this year is it's their second year officially for their cross country team. They're just recently building up, and they need a good, strong team player and leader. And so the coach, he decided, like, he called me, and he's really interested in me helping him form his team together. So that's what I'm gonna do this next year.